we make the strings.
Alright, day 2, we are going to go ahead and get the glass removed on here so we can start pulling some parts on. Alright guys, so the window guys just came over and pulled out the front windshield and what remained of the back windshield, and they did a nice job kind of vacuuming up, you know, a lot of the main particles and stuff, so I appreciate those guys. They're going to go ahead and come back when the roof and everything is installed and actually put the new glass in it, maybe after it's painted, I'm not 100% sure. So, I am basically doing this kind of collabing with Brandon, the guy who helped me out a lot with the body work on the Supra. He has a body shop next door, and he's been doing a lot of hell cars over the past couple months and has been kind of slowing down a little bit, and this has been something we've been kind of talking about doing together, is kind of going in on a car like this and fixing it together. So that's pretty much what we're doing. I'm making videos and helping him out, and he's going to do a lot of the main body work on like the doors, and you can see like right here on these pillars and stuff. But I am running over to the Subaru dealership really quick. I am going to pick up a new hood panel, the scoop, the roof, and then what else? We ordered one of these things that should be in within the week. So, and I've been kind of working on peeling off all of this little residue right here. You can see all that crap right there. That's remaining stuff from that that wrap that they put over the windows, or the lack of windows. So just kind of goofing off some of that stuff right now, and then yeah, I'm gonna go grab those pieces, and we're probably gonna yank the roof off this thing tomorrow, so so stay tuned. Alright, coming over here and pick up some new parts and see a new Scoobies. I've never picked up parts here before, so I should probably figure out where to go. So here we go, we got the roof and the roof, the hood, whatever you want to call it. We got a fender and the grill, the little spoiler for the hood, so here we go. Alright, so this is, I guess this is day 2 of playing with this thing. So yesterday we got the windows cut out of this thing in preparation of yanking the roof out of here. So Brandon's over here today. How you doing, Brandon?
All right.
And so me and Brandon are basically working on this thing together, and yeah, we're gonna freaking get it done. We're gonna bust it out quick. I'm gonna do stuff here and there. He's gonna do a lot of the major body work on these sides and painting it and stuff. And so yeah, I'm stoked. So I guess the first thing is we're covering the windows, kind of taping that so we're not, you know, flicking shavings and everything everywhere. But you'll see right here, there's these little spot welds. So we're just going to be grinding those with the 3M file belt thing. And what else do we have to do? Do we have to drop the headliner?
Yep.
To get these little, unbolt those from the bottom? Other than that, we wouldn't have to, right?
Yep.
And then is it glued going across?
Nope.
Okay, so we're good. So we just cut those things and off it comes. Alright, so just got off all the whole outside of everything. So basically just kind of ground down these spot welds right here and then kind of chiseled off some of the stuff that's kind of sticky. Grind it down, kind of hammered and dolly the stuff to kind of get it back straight. And then basically what we're doing is grinded all this stuff down to bare metal. And we're actually going to use the 3M panel bond and basically just stick it back on. So basically grind it off and then freaking glue it on with that thing. So that should go pretty quick. I think we've got to pull this thing out of the box and I think grind the back side of it. But yeah, if you ever wonder how a roof comes, they come kind of sketchy. So definitely don't stack anything because there's nothing forward and backward. It's just top and bottom. So it says don't lay them down. So I'm glad that I laid this one down. So hopefully it's okay. So went ahead and got the roof basically kind of test fitted, just kind of threw it up there, making sure that it was actually the right one, and everything looks good. So we went ahead and we ground off the bottom of it. Basically the paint did 60 grit flap disc and then 36 grit, so it has a lot of tooth to kind of bite in with that panel bond. And if you guys are concerned with, I guess, the panel bond as a method of attaching the roof to the actual body, that stuff is just absolutely insane, the strength that it actually has. You could actually take two pieces of metal and like panel bond them together and hook like chains to it, and literally it'll like rip the metal before it'll rip where the panel bond actually is. So it's super strong stuff, and honestly it'll probably be a lot stronger than the actual spot welds. Just if anybody ever has to replace this roof in the future, they're not gonna have a good time. So yeah, we do not have enough panel bond to do the roof tonight, so we're gonna go ahead and probably wait until tomorrow or a day or so after that until we could actually get it. But it is nice kind of seeing this thing coming together pretty quick. So we do have the hood and the fender over there in the wedding tent. But yeah, that's gonna be it for tonight, and I guess we'll catch you guys again tomorrow. We got the 3M panel bond today. Brandon didn't forget it.
One of those things.
So yeah, it's yeah, we're gonna go ahead and pull this roof off, give it a little squirt, and then stick it back on there. Should go pretty quick. Alright guys, so the roof is officially mounted on the Subaru now. So that honestly didn't take us a whole crazy amount of time. You could see the glue and stuff right there is setting up like it should. So went ahead and we bolted it down right here in the two roof rack spots. It's got 3 vice grips on the front and the back, and this stuff should be fully cured in I believe 24 hours. I know your work time is about 90 minutes and we're kind of getting close to that right there. But I guess that's gonna be it for this video as far as getting work done. So yeah, I hope that you guys are actually stoked about these videos, this project, all this stuff going on. Be sure to stay tuned. Tomorrow's video or the next day should be doing body work. That's what Brandon is going to be doing tomorrow. So I'm really curious to see how he's going to go about doing all those little hell dents and everything on the doors and the quarter panels and pillars. as well as I'm sure you guys are interested in as well. So be sure to check out that video if you guys are catching up to this later. That should be the next one. This is going to be a big old playlist. Be sure to check out the links in the description for Auto Bidmaster. Learn how you could get yourself set up with an account and kind of do stuff similar to this yourself. One of the reasons I kind of am really stoked about this this Hell vehicle specifically is that there's like no mechanical issues, there's no suspension issues, there's no frame issues, there's no weird random electrical issues or anything like that. It wasn't wrecked. It's literally just Hell. So it's like it was sitting in a parking lot, it ran and drove perfect, was sitting there, it got held on, and that's it. And so it's like once the paint and bodywork and everything is done, that should be it. So besides giving it a good wash and detail. So again, like the videos. If you like them, subscribe to the channel. If you would like to see more, check out the links in the description. And hopefully we'll see you tomorrow or the next day. And if not, check out the playlist. We got some cool things going on, and plenty of more builds coming 2019. So get stoked and stay tuned.